are nature and outdoor spaces utilized in Hindu practices for enhancing well-being? In the vast tapestry of human cultures, the sacred bond between nature and spiritual practices holds a prominent place. For Hindus, the natural world and outdoor spaces are imbued with profound significance, serving as vital components in enhancing overall well-being. This essay aims to explore how nature and outdoor spaces are utilized in Hindu practices to achieve physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. The concept of darshan, a Sanskrit term that denotes seeing and being seen by the divine, plays a central role in Hindu worship and devotion. Nature is often regarded as a manifestation of the divine, and outdoor spaces, such as temples, sacred groves, and river banks, become sacred sites where devotees can experience darshan. The act of visiting these natural spaces, immersing oneself in the beauty and tranquility of the surroundings, and offering prayers or performing rituals is believed to create a powerful connection with the divine, bringing solace, inner peace, and a sense of spiritual renewal. In Hinduism, the elements of nature, such as water, fire, earth, and air, are considered sacred and hold specific spiritual significance. Water, in particular, plays a vital role in purification rituals and is believed to possess healing properties. Devotees often bathe in sacred rivers or lakes, such as the Ganges in India, to cleanse themselves of impurities and sins. The act of taking a dip in these holy waters is believed to bring physical and spiritual purification, as well as a sense of rejuvenation and vitality. Moreover, outdoor spaces serve as conducive environments for meditation and contemplation in Hindu practices. The natural surroundings, with their inherent beauty, tranquility, and absence of distractions, provide an ideal setting for individuals to focus their minds, connect with their inner selves, and experience a deeper sense of spiritual awareness. By immersing themselves in nature, practitioners can find solace, clarity of thought, and a profound connection to the divine. Furthermore, Hindu festivals and rituals often incorporate outdoor elements such as processions, circumambulation of sacred sites, and offerings to nature deities. These rituals reinforce the interconnectedness between humans and the natural world, fostering a sense of reverence and gratitude towards the divine forces that sustain life. By participating in these rituals, devotees strengthen their spiritual bonds with nature and cultivate a harmonious relationship with the environment. In conclusion, nature and outdoor spaces play a multifaceted role in enhancing well-being in Hindu practices. They serve as sacred sites for experiencing darshan, providing opportunities for purification rituals, creating conducive environments for meditation, and fostering a sense of interconnectedness with the divine. Through their deep reverence for nature, Hindus find solace, spiritual renewal, and a profound sense of well-being, underscoring the timeless wisdom of seeking harmony with the natural world.